Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for your Music Minute. Today we are talking about the treble clef and the bass clef. First, let me explain the treble clef. The treble clef is for high pitches. So you put it at the beginning of the music staff to tell all these notes that they need to sing or play high. But one of my kids asked me the other day, what happens when you get here? Do you just keep on going down and do you make more and more ledger lines to go way down here? It starts looking so confusing. So that is when I showed her the bass clef. So the bass clef goes at the beginning of the music staff just the same, but he tells all of these guys to sing or play low. And so then it adds a whole lot more notes. It just keeps on going. It can go way down here. So I hope that helps you figure out a little bit of the difference between the treble clef and the bass clef. Remember, treble clef is high and the bass clef is low. Thank you for watching. Check out my other music minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.